Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful little star. You can use it in any crochet projects. In the magic circle you have to take 10 chains. Here I am taking 10 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So we have 10 stitches in our magic circle. We are going to pull this yarn to make it tighter, and here you see it looks like a little whatever it is. Now I'm going to use this thread as a marker. I'm going to pull this thread in here. Okay, so in this first chain we are going to insert a hook, okay, and make a slip stitch. Okay, and to remember that you have to go through both of the loops. Okay, and now I'm here chaining 1 2 3 4 and 5, making 5 chain. Skip the first chain, and in the second chain you have to do 1 single crochet in the second chain from the loop. So 1 single crochet, and in the next chain I'm going to make 1 half double crochet. And in the third chain I'm going to make a double crochet. And 1 more last double crochet in the last chain. So now here you skip the first chain of this round, and in the second chain you have to make a slip stitch. Here you go. So continue this process till you make the beautiful star. There will be 5 petals like a star. Let's do this, and I'll see you in the end of this video. So following the same pattern here, and this is the last stitch I'm gonna make. Skip 1 chain, and the next chain we're going to make a slip stitch, and this is okay, and pull it, and you can cut the thread. So now you have this beautiful star pattern.